I am in the middle of a blizzard here in North Dakota, but nothing can stop me from bringing you exciting news. A movie night is happening at Capital Christian Church on December 2, Friday at 7 p.m. This is free and voluntary donations for the building project are welcome. This will feature Time Changer, written and directed by Rich Cristiano. It is timely, well-made, poignant, yet entertaining movie that you should not miss. Appetizers and popcorn will be served at 6:30 p.m. until supplies last. I hope to see you, your family, and your friends at the movie night. Reporting from Bismarck, this is Immobile Craft.